how to remove Instagram account. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna learn how you can remove Instagram account from your Instagram app that's downloaded on your device. All you have to do is open the Instagram app. After that, go ahead and press on profile. After you add your profile, you can see the three lines at the top right of the screen. After you press it, there you can see different options. All you have to do is press settings and privacy, scroll down until you see log out of your account. After you go ahead and log out of your account, after you have logged out, your account might still show up in this page. All you have to do is press the settings at the top right of the screen. After you press settings, there you can see it says manage profiles. I got 3 different accounts. If you go ahead and press the top account that you want to remove from your phone, all you have to do is press the red text that says remove profile. After you confirm it, the account will finally be removed from your phone and it will be no more in your device. So that is how you can remove profile from Instagram from your device. If you got any other questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and see you guys in the next one.